In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email account on Google Photos. If you use more than one Google account for personal memories, a shared family library, or work, Google Photos makes it simple to switch which account you're using on your phone. Think of this as choosing a different view. It doesn't merge or move anything. Each account keeps its own photos, albums, sharing, and storage. You're just telling Photos which account to show right now. This is perfect when you want to keep personal moments separate from team projects or shared family albums. Here's the quickest way to switch. On your Android phone or iPhone, open the Google Photos app. In the top right, tap your profile picture. Tap the small arrow next to your email to open the list of accounts already signed in. From that list, select the Google account you want. If that account is on your phone, the app switches immediately and you'll now be viewing that account's library and settings. A helpful habit is to glance at the avatar and email at the top before making changes, so you always upload to or delete from the correct account. If the account you want isn't listed, add it from the same screen. Tap Add another account, follow the sign-in prompts for the Gmail address, then open the account menu again and choose it. Google Photos supports multiple accounts on one device, so you can keep personal, work, and family accounts handy and switch whenever you need. A few reminders: switching accounts only changes what you're viewing. It doesn't transfer backups to a different email. Backup preferences, storage usage, and shared albums are separate for each account. If a photo or album seems missing, it usually means you're in another account. Check the email shown in the top right to confirm. If you're using a work or school account, some options may vary depending on your organization's settings. That's all there is to it. Open Photos, tap your profile picture, use the down arrow to pick the right email, or add a new one and then switch to it. Once you've done it a couple of times, toggling between accounts takes seconds and helps keep your libraries organized and your uploads going exactly where you want. For example, after a trip, switch to your personal account before backing up. And when you're organizing work images, switch to your work account. That way, travel photos land in your personal library, while work shots stay with your job account.